All right, we're at phase 2 of website image upload and replacement. This is determine image dimensions at source page. So now on the website, you'll be looking at the top that says St. Anthony's High School. You want to click Visit Site. Now you see the website as people normally see it. This makes it for easy navigation to find the source page of where you're going to determine image dimensions. So there's two types of images that are inserted. There's going to be your standalone image, and then your source, your slider images. So let's take a look at academics for a second. Academics homepage has a slider. So when I click on this arrow, you'll see a series of different images. So it's going to be, you can't theoretically just log onto the page and see the dimensions. You have to log into the slider function. So now when I click here, I'm going to click Edit Page. And as I look at the Edit Page function, you're going to see that there's something here set that says Soliloquy Slug Academics. That tells me what kind of slider, what the title of the slider is going to be. So now it says Soliloquy Slug. I have to look for Soliloquy on my dashboard. So I scroll down. This is my slider function, Soliloquy. I click Soliloquy. And I have to find Academics. Once I find Academics, I'm going to click Edit. And this shows me all the images that now are located in the Academics slider. When I click Config, that's where my slider dimensions are. So for any image that you're going to create for this slider, it's going to be 960 by 300.